Maria has a present for you. She says, thanks, Cece, for being a great big sissy. Stuck a little bit on her. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, what did she get you?
You know what that says? Does it say Frozen?
Frozen Lego.
Lego.
Elsa.
Anna. And who else?
Elsa.
And Elsa. Yay. Say thank you, Maria. Maybe you could give her a kiss on the head.
Can you give Maria a kiss? Can you give Maria a kiss and say thank you?
Thank you.
You guys are such good sissies. Yay. We'll watch it tonight or tomorrow.